All right, guys, I'm obviously filming this now, but you won't see it until after Steve reveals it, so we're fine looking at it right now. I know excited. Steve's scared.
I'm nervously excited.
All right, let's get this thing fired up, backed out, and see the light of day.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Danny's going down. I got it on film, guys, don't worry. Is this the first time you've seen daylight?
No, I had it out and let it kind of cheer in the sun for a little bit.
Gotcha. Okay, go away to roll.
All right, guys, we're backing her out now.
Oh boy. Oh man. Now I've always seen it in the shop, but oh man. I love it. Oh, I love it.
You better love it. It's your brainchild.
Danny's got a lot of time into it, but oh my goodness, did that look good, guys.
We're still gonna finish up the door panels, of course, guys. But there it is, full reveal.
It is the full reveal of the OBS.
We're still putting a new grill in it too.
Absolutely killer.
Quite a bit different. I mean,
Huge change. Huge change. I thank you so much, Danny. Danny's got a lot of time into doing this, guys. So definitely check him out, slow_restoration.
And we're definitely got some fine-tuning detail work to go yet,
yes.
But overall, it's
I
definitely
keep promising you guys that I was going to get down here and reveal a video, so this is my fault. Like, I've been kind of dragging my feet getting down here. Danny's obviously been sick for the last couple of days. So, I mean, guys, this is the full reveal on it. So we're going to actually go ahead over here. We got the new grill, as you guys do know. I didn't kind of show anybody or anything yet, but we got a new grill, we got a new headlight.
We did get our muffler and tailpipe on. Nice 3-inch tailpipe with a 2-chamber muffler. Got the frame blackened out.
What this thing is going to look like.
Back bumpers on.
Man,
she's looking good.
Let me know in the comments down below.
What do you think, Scout? You want to go for a ride? All right, guys, here's a very big bonus. We have a working tailgate now. It latches. We do have a trim piece we're putting in there. We're going to throw the bed liner back in. I have it rinsed off over there. We're going to throw it in. We're going to lift the roll bar back up in there. Yeah. It's a little bit awkward for one person, but 2 people can easily do it. So yeah, let's get it done.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's not 110% done, but definitely close. I don't know what that weird noise was. That was definitely Steve, but we're gonna do a quick walk around 360-degree view here. Hopefully Steve doesn't run me over. We got our tow mirrors installed. We got our fender flares. We got our front bumper, our bull bar, our KC cover lights, our orange bow tie on there. Yeah. We do have one more surprise, actually 2 more surprises with the orange. Just little finishing touches. But she's looking really, really good. Roll bars in with the lights. All blacked out underneath. She's looking good, guys. All right, guys, this is the OBS. It's not 100% finished product yet. We did take the lights back off. We are going to paint them black. Same with the roll bar lights. They're not painted yet, but they will be blacked out. I saw that in a lot of the comments on Steve's reveal of this truck. We did blacken out the wiper arms. We still need some new blades, but I did throw them back on there. That is done. Some people love, some people hate the tow mirrors. They're on there. There's not, you know, that's what we're doing for now. They're easy to swap out later if someone absolutely hated them. But other than that, we have, like I said, some more blackening out to do, like underneath. Exterior wise, it's pretty well completed. We do have a couple more. Steve kind of alluded to it. We have the orange excuse me, orange bow tie on there. We do have a couple other orange accents we're going to do, tasteful, that are easily changeable, but I think they'll make a little bit of a difference. We'll do a quick walk around. This truck came out really good. I'm very impressed on the finished product here. Again, the roll bar is something people either love or hate, but in my opinion, excuse me, it completes the look of this truck. The fender flares, the roll bar, the front push bar, and the lights, even the mirrors really complete this whole look we were going after, like rugged trail, period correct, but definitely rugged trail. Blacked out back step bumper, which is kind of period correct too. We went ahead and put our surround back in there for our tailgate. And other than that, like I said, guys, it's pretty well completed on the outside. A couple other small things. We still have to do the interior stuff. Do a lot of cleaning in there. There's still a lot of mud in there, unfortunately. But we'll get all that cleaned up. We do have another seat to swap in it. And just detailing pretty much. Put everything back together. We did pick up another pair of nicer door panels. We'll get them put on there. We couldn't really do them until we got the mirrors on. Obviously they're on, so the door panels can now go back on. This truck actually runs very good, so should be good as far as that goes. But yes, overall this truck came out extremely well. I hope you guys are happy with the finished product. We were definitely on a budget here, but we didn't really cut corners. This truck, you know, some people again hated the bedliner finish, but to really take this truck to the next level and spend all the time to block this thing down, fix every spot on the truck, and then paint, would be a ton more time, like a lot, like hundreds of hours difference than what we actually did here. So it is windy, so I'm probably gonna kind of end it here. Just do a quick walk around the front here. Like I said, we still have some finishing touches, like a filler piece and stuff like that. Some of the stuff we didn't really realize we were missing until it went back together, and now we have to source them back out, but it's looking good. Obviously we can't make everyone perfectly happy, but overall the comments and the feedback we've gotten so far is everyone's loving this truck. Some people would change slight things here and there, but overall this is a big hit. I'm glad it came out the way it did. Looks good. We have a lot of time and energy into this truck. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Have a good day.